Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another improvement of myself, hopefully. I start with the typing as always. Start a timer. Oh, come on. Show me the result! And I have 1 minute, 7%, 5, oh well. Let's do this. Okay, nice. All right, so I'll stop this, and we will. What we will do? Execute program. Well, execute program I cannot do, so it will be JavaScript tutorial. All right. So I will open JavaScript playground, and we will say in this window, terminate all processes. Yes. Where's my IntelliJ, by the way? Oh, it's here. Set date methods. Okay. Open it then. Clicking on it. Clickety click. Oh, here we go. Good, oh, it open. It will open multiple times. Of course. Because I clicked on it multiple times, right? Okay, kill, kill, kill. I'll start the timer. Yeah, and now it will be opening till the end of the days. Okay, so we have set things. Okay, so I will set the date. Date is the day. Set full year. Optionally month and day. Oh, all right, so we will have a look in our structure. And okay, so this will be date set methods. JavaScript set date methods. All right. Directory it will be, and it will be 27. Set date methods. Here will be JavaScript file. Set date methods. There we go. We'll open it. It will ask me. So remember, I just add. So we say new date. Oh, new date like that. We'll extract it to a variable. Date is fine. And we will say console log date. Like so. I'll try to run it and see how the things are going. And it says this. And this is ugly, so I'll say to string, which we learned the last time we were doing that. Right, so this looks much better. So September 7th and so on. And now I will date dot set date, and we will put in a number, and that will be today, and we will say 12. And what is happening in my calendar? Tell me, scrap. I'm not going to that. Okay. And then we will, you know what, we will duplicate and we will move that stuff one line down. And we rerun it. And we did set that. Okay, so we will say console log, and this will, come on. Oh shit, I changed to the Czech language again. Hold on, I don't want to even have that options here, but well, whatever. Console log, bum, bum, bum. This will be set date, Okay, now it will be a little bit nicer. We'll see what we did. Okay, so set date. Then the next thing was the set full year, I think. Full year. So we will set full year, and there will be a year number, and there's two optional. So we will say year will be 1, 2, 3, 4, because why not? And then we will print it out, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can say date set full year, and we will have 1, 2, 3, 7, and month will be 12. Okay, and when I run it now, I don't get anything because I'm not printing it out, right? So I do duplicate, move it in here, and run it again. And now I get that. You see, we have January. 12th month is January. Oh yeah, because it goes from 0 to 11. So if I do some nonsense number, I will get January, right? Yeah, that's how it goes. So we will say 4, which should be May. All right. So, and now we will say date, set full year, and the year will be, can I do like this? Like not the entire thing, and will it still work? It did. It is okay. So it's for 6 month will be January, and the date will be I don't know 30. Does January have 30 days? I don't know. I never remember that. It's here, so maybe it does. Um, Interesting. Central Europe Daylight, Central Daylight, Central Europe Standard Time. Interesting. So if I do 1 and run it, hmm. This is because of the shifting uh, of the times, right? We call it daylight saving or something. So we had the set full years, okay, set hours. Okay, so look, and this will be set hours, and of course we will use our date and data set hours. And here's also another thing, so we say 12 minutes, 30 seconds, 55 milliseconds, this many. Okay, and now, okay, so is that done by date, and we will print it out, date, and we will see magic. Yeah. String, like so. Okay, and we did set what hours? 12, 30, 55. Yes, we have. And milliseconds we don't see here, but who gives a shit? Okay, so we did that. Set minutes. Oh, I can do this. All right, so let's do that. Duplicate. This will be set minutes. 7 minutes. Everything in here will be 11. And now if I run it, the minutes should not be 30 but 11, and it is. And I'll paste, oh fuck, I'll duplicate this, and this will be set seconds, I suppose. Set seconds, second, NDS. Seconds, here we go. Set seconds, I will keep it. Will be 12, 11, 11. Yep. So seconds, set milliseconds, set months, set seconds, set time. Okay, so there is a set time. Set time is different from the rest of that, so I will do that. Set time. Set time at 11 should be 11 seconds, milliseconds. So we will say 1, 2, 3. Now it will be 11 seconds after midnight, January 1st, 1970. Go. Yeah, 1 hour also. That is weird. So if I say 1, what it will say? It also say 1. That's weird. There's the examples. Okay, so I want to see the set time. Compare dates. Okay, set seconds, set minutes. Set time. There's only one. Okay. Well, fuck that. But there was the comparison of the dates. That is interesting. Dates can be easily compared. Okay, so I say something like this. Set comparing dates, and we will have let date let this moment equals new date. So this is right now, and we will be comparing that. So we will say I will say let another date equals new date, and in the constructor, what does it take? It takes a number, string or number. Okay, so we will say year, and we will say 2021, and we say if this moment is greater, no, another date is greater than this moment, we will print other date is, and I would presume that it will is after. This will be is after now, and here we will have else thingy, and we will say console. I can duplicate, move it, right? is after, so this will be before. Now, and I will provide semicolons. And right now it should say after. Let's say before. I thought it will take the amount of milliseconds and will compare it. Because, okay, so I want to look, and we will say this moment, and we will attach this moment to string like so, and then we will have the another date, and here we will say another date to string like so, and we'll print it. And as we will see is this moment is 2020. Another date is, oh, okay. This is not the correct. Okay, so this is another date is before, and that is correct because I thought this will be the full year, but it's not. So I will say like so, and this will be year 2021. Now it will be after. All right. Okay, this looks a little bit nicer. All right. So we have the setters. That was quite easy. Uh, so we will go to the next thing, which is set date methods. I will do commit. And here just because I want, and this will be fuck. Okay, fuck that. And this was set date methods chapters complete. Commit. Okay, and the next thing we are doing is JavaScript math objects. Okay. All right. So it is JS math. We'll create a directory, and this directory 28 math. And here we will say JavaScript, and this will be called math as well. All right. And what do we have? Math P, math round. JavaScript math object allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. They have a constants as well. There's a P, there's a round. Okay. So square root, absolute CL, floor, sinus, cosinus, minimum, maximum. That takes an array. I see a random, returns random number, math properties. Okay, math constructor. There's a lot of other things. So we will do few of those. So just for fun, we can start with the one they said. Math pi, and we'll print it out like so. Then I run it, and it will say 3.14 something something something. Yep. Okay. So what was there more? So say console log There are some constants. Okay, and console log. Next we will be have I don't know round, rounding numbers. So, and this will be, let's say, let number equal to 3.56. Number A. Let number B will be equal to 1.1. 1.1. Okay, and now we will have look, and it will be number A equals plus number A plus, and here will be space number, maybe even comma. Here number V equals, and here we will have the number B. Number B, just to make it nicer. And then we will say console log, and this will be math around on those. I will say console.log, and here we will have math.round number A plus, there will be space, and there will be math around and number B, like so. Let's go. We have 4 and 1, and then we have console log. We have a seal, math seal, I think. I'll start with the floor. Console. You know what? I can steal this guy over here, and we will exchange the round to floor, and here also floor, and so that will be rounded down at all costs. And I can maybe do more, and that will be, I will replace this guy with seal, I think it was. Replace. Cool. Run it. What? Yeah. So this is rounding up, forced. Let's do the rounding, I think. Math rounds, score the seal floor. Yep. Okay, so bum bum bum. And this will be exponent this will be math I think log, and this will be to the power of odd to the 3, that should be 8 equals, and this will be that, oh fuck, like so, that, pow, and this will be 2, and the exponent will be 3, alright, and if I write I should get 8, yep, square root, uh, square root, that was SQRT, I think. SQ, yeah, it was that. We will say 9. Or 9, oh fuck. 9 equals, that should be 3. And that takes just one parameter, right? Yeah. Okay. What do we have next? Oh, the random. Random is kind of important. So random. That will give us number between 0 and 1, I think. So at random, just like that, we will get this guy. If I write again, it will be different, and I write it again, it will be different, and different again. Okay, so if I multiply it by some number, I will get some range, right? So let's say I'll say 10. I should get the range between 0 and 10, I think. This oh, it's not okay. Random 10 is no. I just get random and then I multiply it by 10 times 10. That's what it is. Times 10. Now it should work. So now I get 7 something 988. I'm not sure if I get one. I might get 0 to 99.999999. Okay, so it says random. What does it say in here? Where is it? Returns a random bit. Yeah, exclusive to that. So to get numbers from, I can do this, and then I can call a seal on it, but that would be not random, right? Okay, here I get 0. If I do floor, I will get 0 to 9. So that will be also kind of okay. So this will be run number interval will be 1 to 10 includes, and that will be your math floor. like that. But now I will get 0 to 9. Right, so here's 4. Two, 7, come on. 4, const I equal 0, I smaller, 100, I plus plus. Okay, so I don't have to write all the time, so this will, fuck, what happened? Oh, I said const, but then I cannot change it, right? Here we go. Okay, so we see we don't get, we get 0, we never get 10. I don't see 10 in here. 100 is too much. I'll say 20. So what I have to do here is add 1. And now if I run it, I should get 10 and 1. The fuck is that? Yeah, because I added that. Where is the mat floor? Like so. Why it doesn't... Oh, I see, because it's converted to a string, so this should be inside of another parents, so it will be here plus 1, wrong place, here, space plus 1, here we go, and now it will work. Yep, 10, there's a 1, and we will never get 0. All right. Oh, there's a Oh, Monday. All right. Okay, I will have a look in here if there is something example. There are some constants at random. Minimum and maximum. Okay, so that one is interesting. So we say let it will be const my array equals, and here will be boom, 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 -1, 1, 2, some huge number, um, minus 143, 24. And here we will say, ta-da, lock, and this will be and max. So lock array. So lock at min my array. That should spit out the minimum and maximum. Not a number. Interesting. What's the matter in here? Okay. Can be used to find the lowest and highest. Okay, so I think I will have to do the destructuring of my array. Yep. It doesn't take array, it takes numbers. All right. We are way over the time limit, so I will call. Okay, next chapter is random. All right. I will go here and change this description. I want bigger. Okay, so it was here. I wanted to change and take the link. And we go here. Next thing to do will be JavaScript random chapter. The new section I don't need here. Yeah. It's really bad to have different shortcuts in different editors for things. Okay, so I can commit now. And I did finish the previous, that is the math, JavaScript math section. Fuck that. JS math chapter complete. We'll commit. And we are way over the time limit, which means we are done. That is better than perfect, and I'll see you next time. Bye.